Guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am giving you some quick and easy DIYs that I made for my niece's first birthday shoot. So if you want to see what I created, just keep on watching and remember to subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Like, comment, share this video. It will truly help out my channel. And for my first DIY, I am doing a #1 banner sign, which is quick and easy. The only thing I spent money on this whole entire project and the other 3 were for the butterflies, which I will link those in the description box below. And as you guys are seeing me doing this right now, I just cut out triangles from a piece of paper that I had from years ago. It's actually a pretty thick piece of paper, so it's not very flimsy, so I think it's perfect. And these DIYs was just like super spontaneous and just quickly done because we were doing her photos the next day, and I just wanted something cute, like a cute setup. So what I'm doing here is I cut up triangles as perfect as I can. They're not all even, but hey, this is just for photos and just for fun. But I just wanted to give you some ideas for maybe your daughter's or son's birthday. It's a quick and easy #1 banner that could be done at home for cheap. So this is what I'm doing here. And then I just ended up adding some string right behind it, and there you go, a banner. It's as simple as that. I got these stickers from Michael's a few years back, as well as those papers a few years back. I got everything was pretty much super affordable for me because all I spent money was on the actual butterflies.
One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us.
Okay, so for my next project is a flower headband, which I'm going to add some butterflies on the actual headband. So what I am doing is taking all the flowers off my floral arrangement that I had in my room that now is no longer going to be in my room, but hey, this is for my niece, so I do not mind sacrificing my decor for her beautiful head. But as you can see, I am taking out all the florals and trying to cut it all up as close as possible to the stem. And then we're going to make the headband. This is not really thick. It's just a ribbon from Michael's I got last year, and I ended up to make it more thick. I just doubled it up, and then I'm going to hot glue it together as wide as possible, and I hot glued the florals right on top of the band and added some butterflies, and that's it. Honestly, guys, I would measure your child's head before actually starting, which I did. I didn't show because she was eating, so I didn't show that part, but I did measure her head, making sure it fits properly. I also made sure that the floral part will be exactly right on top of her head, so I also measured that, and then you guys will see me put eventually will see me write lines of where the florals should start and where it should end, and it came out perfect.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh small bar with neon lights. Talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. Be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder.
I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never.
So for my third project, is super easy, super simple. I just put butterflies at the end of the string so they can hang from either a tree or like in the background somewhere. I did not end up using these for the photos, mainly because it was just too windy and they were like flying everywhere, so I decided not to use it, but I still kept it in this video because I thought it would be a cute idea for maybe in studio type of photos where the wind is not blowing it all around. So it's as simple as that, putting string on butterflies. I am going to use these for her actual birthday because they do have a tree in the backyard that we're doing the photo, not the photo, sorry, the party at. They actually have a tree, so I'm gonna have it dangling from the tree, and eventually you guys will see that video in just a few weeks and see how that turned out. So this DIY was just quick and easy.
But I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. You say that you're from out of town. I'm hoping that you stick around. Show me what it's like from the other side. Would you stay another night? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you.
another quick and easy DIY. I got this R last year for Rihanna for her candy table tree, and we ended up not using it. I do not know why, but I decided just to take the R and just add butterflies right on it, and that's pretty much it. That's the DIY. All these DIY I think are completely easy but however like super cute, and that's pretty much for this video, and that's it for my DIYs. I hope you guys stay and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate that, and until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.
It's time to believe. No matter how it hurts, you're gonna let it bleed. No matter how you feel. When you've had enough, when the crowd gets rough, gotta stand up.